Eh? You go kill me? You no go house today. I go carry you go police station. No. I go carry you. No. Hey, help me call police. So you go keep person because I know be mama be. You.
You go sleep for jail.
You go keep person because I know be mama. Don't come here again. I don't give you work again. So because of Anobi moment now, we go keep person. Eh?
What they buy?
So you go keep person because of Anobi moment.
I go kill person. Zan kashe mutum aka annabi. Kana mutuwa aka annabi wallahi. Kana mutuwa.
Remove your cap.
You go. See now.
Ah. So if you follow Anobi like this.
Yes now.
If you enter the journal like this.
Yes now. Waiting. This.
So if you keep person now, you know say person will keep person. You know if you go heaven.
Wallahi person where keep person where cause annabi. You go aljanna direct.
Eh?
Direct. Free pizza.
You go aljanna direct.
Yes, direct.
You feel do Boko Haram?
No.
Eh?
No.
If you do Boko Haram like this.
No, I know people.
You be Hausa?
I be Hausa.
Ah. People will do you like this, no good. People will do outside like this, no good. Because of man will come from man will come from Larabawa side. You will be Nigeria. So we go keep person where be say because of that person.
Yes, no.
Don't come here again tomorrow. I know will give you work again.
No, Allah.
I know will give you work for you again.
No,
I go pursue you, come on for Ado Ekiti. Now me go pursue you because of that thing where we dey talk this.
Now God give you work. No person. Now God.
Hey, àti wọ nǹkan ní Nàìjíríà. Hello no ma pa yan torí Anobi Muhammad. Pé tí bá bon Anobi. Ṣé pa àti wọ ní Nàìjíríà báyìí. Ṣé pa tó quest àwọn tó quest wá fún wa. So you go keep person because of Anobi Muhammad.
I go kill anybody where dey for this act. I go kill am because of Anobi.
Oda. TikTok